I'm waiting for a surprise in isolation. And I hope it's not like spiders. I don't know, it could be somebody famous, it could be a giraffe. It could be like a zoo animal, I don't know, it could be anything. Oh my gosh.
What do you think? Do you like it?
Well, it's obviously something big. I like this!
Ola?
You can go up.
Ola? Ola, we've come to take you to the room of spiders. I don't like spiders. May I have a hug?
Yes!
Thank you.
Hello.